Hello everyone, in this video you gonna see about basics of robotic process automation. Robotic process automation enables business professionals to easily configure software robots to automate repetitive, routine work between multiple systems, filling in automation gaps to improve business processes. And the most preferred RPA tools for automation are UiPath, Automation Anywhere and Blue Prism. The RPA will be going to used in various industries and domains. It is expected that RPA market is going to reach about $8.75 billion by the year 2024. Certification in robotic process automation can be done with all of these three tools. Be familiar with one tool in RPA and get certification for your career.